Okay, so I'm going to have x minus 2 squared. I'm going to multiply that first. So that will be x minus 2 times by x minus 2, which is x squared minus 2x minus another 2x. Finally, minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. I can simplify that, which is x squared minus 4x plus 4. So that's what I've now got. I've now got x squared minus 4x plus 4, and I've got to times that by x plus 1. You could do it in grid method, which I'll show in a second. But I like doing it this, the lines method, the arcs. That'll be x cubed, and that will be plus x squared. It's done that bit. That'll be minus 4x squared, and then minus 4x. And then finally, that'll be plus 4x, and 4 times 1 is plus 4. And so that will end up giving me x cubed. X squared minus 4x squared is minus 3x squared. No x's, and then plus 4. I'll do part 2, and I'll show you the grid method if you want that. Sketch this curve indicating the coordinates of all intercepts with the axes. So I want to see where it crosses. I know that at x equals 2 it's 0. I know at x equals minus 1 it's 0. I know it's an x cubed curve, so it's going to be, it's positive x cubed, so it's going to be something like that. So it's going to have to come up here. Oh, I need to find out where it crosses this axis. It'll be 4, because if x is 0, y is 4. So that's 4. I need to label the axes as well. That's minus 1, and that was 2. Because if x is 2, 2 take away 2 is nothing. So x is 2. So it's got to come up here and go something like that. And it's just going to touch there because it's squared. And because it's squared, that means I have a repeated root. So it's actually x minus 2 times by x minus 2. So x will be 2 or 2. Both the same. So that's what my curve looks like. Probably should keep making sure it goes up. It doesn't edge off. As I said, I'll show you this bit in grid method. So grid method would be something like this. And I get x squared minus 4x and plus 4. And timesing that by x plus 1. And then we just put it into the box. It's going to be exactly the same. That'll be x cubed. And that'll be minus 4x squared. That'll be plus 4x. That'll be x squared. That'll be minus 4x. Because that's a plus 1. And that'll be 4. Add them up and I get exactly the same as I do there anyhow. But that's question 4 done.